Hey there, real estate warriors. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for navigating the property market. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to remove your listing from Zillow in 2025. Whether you've sold your home, changed your mind about listing, or just want to protect your privacy, this step-by-step guide will get you sorted quickly and easily. Let's jump right in. First off, why would you want to remove a listing? In 2025, with data privacy being a big concern, you might be worried about your personal info being out there. Or maybe your property details are outdated. Whatever the reason, Zillow makes it straightforward, but you do need to follow the right steps to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Log into your Zillow account. Head over to Zillow.com and enter your username and password. If you don't have an account, well, you probably need one since listings are tied to it. Double check that. Once you're logged in, go to your profile by clicking on your avatar or the My Zillow section in the top right corner. This is your dashboard for all your listings and saved searches. Next, find the listing you want to remove. Scroll through your active listings or use the search bar if you have multiple properties. Click on the specific listing to open its details page. Now, look for the Edit option. On the listing page, there should be an Edit or Manage Listing button. Click that, and you'll see various options, including the ability to deactivate or delete the listing. In 2025, Zillow might have updated their interface, so if it's not exactly where I described, check for a Remove from Market or similar button. Confirm your action when prompted. Zillow will likely ask you to verify. This is to prevent accidental removals. Once confirmed, your listing should be taken down within minutes. A quick tip: if you're removing a listing because you've sold the property, consider updating it to Sold status instead, as that can help with your selling history. Also, remember that if you're an agent, the process might differ slightly, so reach out to Zillow support if needed. And there you have it. Your listing is gone, and you're back in control. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below with your experiences, and don't forget to subscribe for more real estate hacks. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Stay savvy.